In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the circular pattern tool to create the features in CATIA. So this is a model called machine block, which should be created in the millimeter system. If you take a look at the given snapshot, you can see this object actually involves a lot of circular features. So you must do your analysis to understand what is the most efficient way to create all of these circular features. At this moment, I'm trying to just create a base feature using the two circles on the YZ plane. And I do want to keep the YZ plane right in the middle because all of the other features should be extruded from the YZ plane based on the completed base feature. So here you can see I used the project 3D element to project the big circle on the current YZ plane, and I'm trying to use the arc icon to create this closed profile. And I'm going to use this closed profile to extrude it in both directions. So I will be able to have this one feature added to the base feature. And then I will be able to create a concentric hole by using the hole icon. After that, I will be able to, based on the pad feature and the hole feature, to duplicate the other 5 features on the base. So here I used the circular pattern icon. So here we just finished the top portion of this machine block. Now I re-entered the YZ plane and I continue to use this project 3D element to have all the edges projected on the current plane. So I will be able to follow the projected edges to finish the other lines on the bottom portion of the model. I used the axis line icon as my construction element to see where is this bottom curve line located. So I used the 2 axis lines and I make sure that between the 2 axis lines the angle is 81 degrees. And I will make sure the 2 axis lines are symmetrical to the vertical axis by applying the symmetry geometrical constraint. So pay attention to the order of the selection. You want to make sure you select the 2 axis lines first and then the vertical axis to apply the symmetry. After that, I can use the arc icon to create this bottom arc. Now I can continue to use the construction line or the axis line to create the arc on the left side. I don't know the exact length, that's okay. I know the radius, so I can determine the radius of the arc. After this, I can continue to use the profile icon to first create a vertical line And then I press and hold the control key, not control key, but my mouse to generate a tangent line. And I want to use a geometrical constraint to apply the tangency between my two arcs. And I can continue to update the radius of the arc. Now, all my lines on the left side are constrained, and I can use the control key to select all of the lines on the left side, use mirror icon to have these lines mirrored on the right side. And I continue to use the quick trim to trim off the actual lines. Now, the only under constraint lines are coming from the axis line. That is okay. Now I can use the pad icon to extrude it in both directions to finish the solid piece of the bottom portion. After that, I want to re-enter the YZ plane. From there, I will be able to use Project 3D Element to project the arc on the right side. Continue to use the arc icon to make a complete circle. Follow the circle to extrude it in both directions to finish this extruded feature. Use this extruded feature to create the concentric hole. After the concentric hole is completed, I can have the pad feature and the hole feature selected to apply the circular pattern. So I want to totally create 3 patterns, and the angle it should be 81 divided by 2. And now I can just determine my reference element. It should be the bottom face. And you may need to reverse the direction. Click OK to see the final finished model. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.